Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Today I'm gonna show you what their chef hubby made it for. See how cool it is, guys. It's really thick jacket with a nice warm inside. Chef clothing. So there you go. We're gonna go open it. Let's go. Woo! Oh la la! It's really hot here. This is the pizza, vegetarian he made. Look at that, guys. Well, it's gonna be a little bit more, so we're gonna come back again. Look at that. This pizza, when you get it in the other business people, they sell it like 30 bucks or 40 bucks. It's full of goodies. Look at that, guys. Okay, we'll come back again to check this within maybe another 5 or 15 minutes. But the base that he made is already cooked, so we're gonna lower it down, I think. Otherwise it will burn. But I could see the vegetarian cheese is still there, so little roast dice and sauce, a really yummy sauce, tomatoes, the cucumber, no, not cucumber, it's really hot, sorry guys, the mushrooms, the slice, nice thin the size of, it's really hot, sorry, thin the size of zucchini and some more there, guys, and nice vegetarian cheese. I'm gonna close this now, guys, because it's really hot. I want them to cook more. Now, guys, after another 5 minutes that we've been putting this again, so it's cooked. Now the chef is cutting this beautiful vegetarian pizza now. Oh, I'm starving. Thank you, babe, for cooking it. You're putting on and crunchy. It I can down, but look at that. Looks so nice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ayan, cut pa more. Yummy, guys. You can put also the tomato sauce if you like. It's so cold here. I like this. Here for my love. I'm gonna go get mine. Everybody's hungry, guys. Come on, let's get this pizza. Look at that melted one. Sarap. Home cooking meal is really good if you got time, guys. You know. And sometimes if you don't have big time, you don't cook it. Just buy, but mostly we really got effort to cook, guys. Sarap. The cheese, the fresh tomato, the sweet fresh tomato, the really nice looking mushroom, the vegetarian cheese, and stainless size of this aubergine, not aubergine, the zucchini. And we put a bit of this cauliflower. Sarap. See that? From the shop, we bought it last time like 35 bucks. Not in the Domino, the other locally made by Italian. We got really nice pizza, but their base is so thick and fat. They're not even cooking, but this is really good. Sarap. That's it, guys. This is really big whole tray for pizza. It's really nice heavy material. That's why we bought it. And I probably got this smaller tray. Sarap, oh. Very, very good. Kain po, guys. Let's eat. So if you are hungry, this is just nothing. Like you didn't eat for a whole day. Come back home, cook this or bake this. It's so good. Sarap. got 3 small for me. Ayan, cheers guys. Enjoy watching here the really yummy pizza. And I hope you can make your own food too, more healthier. That way more healthier. Easy to do. The thing when you make your own pizza though, the dough, you have to get really big thick hand to knead it like this. But my love is got really nice thick hand. I mean, you know, stronger bones, stronger bodybuilder, but not fat, but just nice slender. But the hand, you know, and the white people, the really nice thick hand, I love it. So we made it, we make dough from the scratch, from the real flour and all these things that he chopped. He done really good job, guys. And after this, we have a thing for sure. I got 3 left here. It's really satisfying dinner, guys. Very natural food from our kitchen and the pantry, the one that we just made from the scratch. Really good. This is crunchy base too. And guys, he cooked this like 180 degrees, reheated oven. He said the first one he put it like 30 minutes, and then I lowered down when I checked the gulay or this vegetable is not yet cooked. So I lowered down to 170 to 165, and another 5 minutes I cooked, and he turned this out because you have to turn this out from the oven, otherwise it will burn and it may burn the base of the thing, because this pizza tray really hot and very heavy. So we're gonna remove that from the oven, from the fire. So we cut it manually through this one. We have a runner to cut this pizza, the proper one. I don't know where other, so I have to find it. So next time we do it again, we cut it like restaurant style, professional chef made. Yeah. This yummy vegetarian cheese is so good. It's not salty like mozzarella. It's a really yummy one. Subscribe, like our channel, and I hope to see you in our next vlog. Let us know the comment down below. If you like this video, please do subscribe more if you haven't, and give us a comment below. Make sure you did it for our new vlogs or new content, so we will come back for you guys. Trust me, if we have time, we do slowly come back to you. Do the right thing. At least 3 or 5 minutes video, we will do the same to you as well, guys. Thank you once again. This is the host that watching cooking and now doing vlogging for you, and I hope to see you and making more vlog nicely every time to please the customers and the vloggers and the fans. Thank you so much once again, and enjoy this. Yeah, I could really guarantee that always make food is really the best. At least you know your ingredients as well. Really good to make your own pagkain or food. It's really good. I think we put that Italian sauce too. I mean Italian tomato sauce, natural one from the tube. That's why it tastes so good. It's a basil mixed with tomato. I'm just like that tube size. Like $5. It's okay, it's worth it. Again guys, thank you for watching. To all the fans, thank you so much guys. Really appreciate you for always supporting us. Ciao mga kaibigan. Thank you so much, and again, see you next time. Bye bye for now. Ciao. Bye. Take care and stay safe. See ya.